Hi everyone, my name is Hannah and I'm a dietetic intern at Missouri State University here at WIC in Springfield. Today I have two dishes using yogurt that you can get in your food packages through WIC, and those are crunchy chicken and a ranch dressing dip using yogurt. Many people like yogurt in foods like smoothies or parfaits, but here are two ways that you can use yogurt in a more savory dish. I hope you try them out and really enjoy them. Yogurt is a great addition to any meal because it's full of lots of good nutrients for you and your child. It's full of probiotics, which are gut-healthy bacteria that help us stay regular and feel good. It's also full of calcium that supports good bone development, as well as protein that supports muscle strength and development in both you and your baby. Those were two ways to use yogurt in more savory dishes. For more information or recipe ideas, make sure to visit your local WIC agency. Have a good day!